it's Nadia. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very cute sweet gnome card. So now I'm just going to make my background. And I'm going to use Rosy Cheeks, Simon Hurley's dye ink pad. And then I'm going to take this. Take some of this. Just gonna put some on the border of the So now I'm just going to take the closest color to this color and make some freckles on my card. I'm just going to take this and put some freckles. So I'm just going to put this cute gnome on my paper with a star on top of his head and a simple sentiment with an exclamation mark behind it. And there it is. So now I'm just going to stamp my sentiment with my Versamark ink. Whoopsies. I accidentally said Versamark ink, but it actually is not Versamark ink. I meant Memento ink. And there it is. If you enjoyed it, Toys from Heaven, please subscribe to Toys from Heaven and share it with your kids and your family. And don't forget to comment.